Hi, hi guys. We are going to be like. Hi guys. We are going to be playing the Mimic AI test, and I'm ready. Not really, because for some loud jump scares. Um. There is a person. Okay. Okay. That was weird. Purse control. So this is my purse. This is my purse. This is the first game that I ever played. I love how they just add some inventory and sounds thing and teleporting and this eye to spectate and also the settings. OMG, I forgot. Okay, that was weird. Hiyachi's smile was so weird and wild. Oh, I guess Hiyachi is always smiling, I guess. Okay, chapter 1, Biwaki. She has a biwa, so that's why her name is Biwaki. Girl, you have to chase me, not walk. OMG, that he pose. Sniper's game to ever play. OMG. That was loud. Oh. Okay, next, Shizu. Next, Shizu 2. Shizu 2. That is Shizu 2, but it has the same exact jump scare as Shizu 1. Okay, controls chapter 2. OMG. Shaku or Shaku. Now Shaka Bonamation. Oh, the jump scare is more like detailed. The jump scare is more detailed, I guess. More detailed. girl behind the monster is doing a video also, maybe. Maybe she's also doing a video, I guess. Or jump scares. The same zone. She doesn't have eyes. But this monster has white eyes. Please put the eyes. Or don't put the eyes in the statue, I guess. So it's more beautiful. I mean, okay. If that's too boring, then she'll kill me. Kaito. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Um. Um. In the first part, why didn't he kill me? Why am I in Kintoru? The first part that he didn't kill me is unavailable. Is unavailable. I don't know how to say unavailable. I can't say it. Please, just let me say it. Oh. Ooh. Personal. That was personal. Who was that? Is that an accessory or back accessory from that guy? Like, who was behind that guy? Next for Keiko. Oh, that's personal, I guess. Oh, I guess we can hide in the bushes. So I need to hide in the bushes, I guess. Was that a glitch? Okay. Okay. Now, Nightmare Kurobosu. No. That was loud. Then it broke the sound barrier. Normal ring. Why is done? Oh, I get the nightmare one. It was supposed to be normal before the nightmare ring. Okay, next. I have. Okay, so good. The player tag is off. So we have to restart that. I need to find it. Okay. I wasn't supposed to cut that, but I don't have to cut it. Okay, next. I think the red one is the nightmare one. Oh. I think Sukiya is one of my favorite characters. And the nightmare one is not my favorite character because I don't like the hair. Girl, you don't need a hair. Girl, you don't need a hair. Oh. So, there's more. There's more there's more places that I need to teleport into. So, I will be not with that. Okay, Jikoku, Shiniachi. I'm not supposed to teleport. I'm not still done with Shiniachi and the witch trials. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. She's also my favorite. What did you say? I didn't understand what he said. Anyways. Hansu Kazeko. Oh. Anyways. Oh. That was a glitch? What? Is that a glitch? Anyways. Oh. Okay. So I think modes. I was about to do the hum. Which players? There's so many maps. no circus. Anyways, that scream was personal. Save zone. He doesn't know where am I. Okay, there's two more last ones. This is the last one. Christmas trails and Halloween trails, I guess. Christmas. Oh, Krampus nightmare. I need Krampus because only if I don't know.
Naughty children.
I'm not naughty. I just prayed before I eat.
Don't be naughty.
Bro, I'm not naughty. I just prayed before I eat. Stop saying I'm naughty. Two more last ones. Halloween. It's time for Halloween time. OMG, my favorite. Tayo was personal. Tayo's scream was personal, I guess. He is kinda boss, I guess. So, okay. I'm almost 48%. So that's not good. Kabochawan. They almost broke the sound barrier. This one broke the sound barrier. The person didn't break the sound barrier. Oh. Okay, time for Christmas trails. Oh. Halloween trails. I think I'm done. So, bye guys. See you later.